Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting pairing now. Don't get bogged down in settings. First, make sure both AirPods Pro and your Android are charged above 20%. Open Bluetooth in Settings and keep that screen visible so you can watch device discovery in real time. With the case lid open, press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case until the LED flashes white. This puts the AirPods into standard pairing mode. Once you see the white flash, switch to your phone and look for AirPods Pro in available devices. After selecting AirPods Pro on your Android, tap Connect and wait for the confirmation. This binds audio and call profiles. To improve sound, go to Developer Options or Bluetooth settings and choose the best available codec, AAC or aptX if your phone supports it, because codecs change latency and fidelity. You may need to allow separate media and call audio profiles. Make sure both are enabled so music and phone calls route correctly. If prompted, grant microphone permission so Siri-like features and call voice work reliably. You're nearly done. Test playback and place a quick call to confirm the mic and controls work as expected. If controls or connection drop, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears previous pairings and forces a fresh connection. Make sure your Android OS is updated, and if problems continue, clear the Bluetooth cache in app settings and repair. One key tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on often fixes intermittent disconnects without a reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.